The topic of today's video is how to enable margin on Webull. Now, in order to enable margins, you need a margin account. A margin account allows you to borrow funds to trade with, boosting your buying power. You can access up to 4x leverage for day trades and 2x for overnight positions, using your current assets as collateral. In order to be eligible then for this, you will need, of course, a Webull brokerage account, and to be the correct age for your specific country, so that could be 18 plus or 21 plus, at least $2,000 in net account equity, so that's cash and marginable securities, to unlock margin features. And then you will need to fill out a margin agreement and a financial suitability questionnaire. I would advise getting some training in the paper trade function while you're at it, because that will also be very beneficial to you. Now, once you are approved, all you will need to do is, of course, fund your account and then wait for funds and any open positions to settle. Your account will automatically activate margin buying power once equity meets requirements. It's also very important that you know the risks. Margin amplifies both gains and losses. You'll pay daily interest on borrowed funds. If your net account value, or NAV, dips below maintenance margin, Webull may issue a margin call requiring you to deposit funds or face liquidation. So that is how you do it. If this helped, smash that like button, subscribe for more trading tips, and let me know your experiences or questions about margin in the comments section. See you next time.